Hi everyone, Greg Secker here, and whilst we're enjoying this fantastic weather for once in the UK, I think it's about 36 degrees today, and I'm at home here talking to you from my fountain. There is a more serious and pressing issue that applies to all of us living in the UK right now. On average, wages have flatlined for the last decade. Interest rates are lower than a snake's belly. Inflation is sky high since 2013. The pound has lost major ground, and the government, of course, is in turmoil. The mystery of what Brexit means and truly entails is creating more uncertainty, adding to the already considerable pressure on what's become a very weak pound. Now, what this means for you is your money is worth less. Your savings are depreciating in value due to the minuscule amount of interest versus the highest inflation we've seen since 2013, and the cost of the items you're buying is going up. This is unsustainable, and if you don't make a change soon, you could be one of the many people trying to buy your way out of this situation by relying on credit cards, loans, and of course overdrafts. I mean, what can one person do to protect themselves from so many financial pitfalls? Now, the answer to that question may be simpler than you think, and once you find out just how easy the answer is, you may be kicking yourself for not finding out about it sooner. I'm talking about trading the Forex market. That's right, the place in the business news section where there's a string of numbers and arrows pointing up and down. Some people think this is market movements on whims, or that trading Forex is risky. Look, I am living proof that you can predict which direction the markets are going and safely trade currencies and make yourself a tax-free income here in the UK, if you follow the rules. It's simple. The Forex markets react to the release of reports like job numbers, growth numbers, and news announcements such as the rise or fall in interest rate. It also follows trends, but you need to be able to read those trends to really know which way the market's going. Now, I've been working in the currency sector for the last 2 decades, and in that time, I learned how to read the markets and the best strategies to use from some of the leading traders in the world. I translated these trends back in the day and strategies into computer code. To code them, I had to understand the fundamental reasons for how and why these trading strategies worked. You know, I won't bore you with the details, but the point is I quickly learned how to read the markets, place trades on them, and protect more than 98% of my capital on each and every trade. And now I want to share these trading strategies with you. One of my core philosophies in life that once you've learned something, you should pass it on. You need to help other people too. But people need to want to be helped. That's one of the keys. They need to see something is wrong or something needs changing, and they need to recognize that they can do something about it and then decide to make that change. And that's really the first step you need to take to becoming financially independent, to make sure that you don't really fall into that amassing credit pit. Look, the reality is you need to decide to make a change. And if you do, I'm here to help. The Forex markets can seem daunting, but I established Learn to Trade to help anyone who is keen to discover the opportunities that the markets provide. Since 2003, more than 250,000 people have come through our doors and learned the strategies and risk management systems that got me where I am today. If you really are ready to make a change and are willing to learn, then it's time to take your first step down the path of financial independence. Come to one of my free Forex workshops and we'll help you make the change and get this game started once and for all.